Hello everyone, welcome to NRI channel. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about a new topic, that is main common topic, that is the probability. So in 9th standard we learn about the experimental probability or empirical probabilities about the different units. So what is the probability, meaning of the probability? It means that probably, maybe or may not be. The meaning of this one is maybe or may not be. So see, what are the daily comes the example in our daily life. For example, see, when two cricket teams, they are going to play the cricket in the ground, first they will toss the coin. Why? Because they will decide first who will bat the first, who will play the bat first. They will toss the coin. Now this is the one theoretically experiment, or you can say that event. Similar, when they are going to play the two teams to the football, again they will toss the coin. See, this is also examples of the probability. See, if you toss the coin, means what are the outcomes? What are the outcomes of the possibilities here? Head or maybe a tail. Only two possibilities, head or a tail. See, this is the probability, maybe or may not be. We cannot predict the direct head only, so it may be a tail or maybe a head. So this is one example of the probability. And see, when in the winter season, when you are going to start the bike or any that vehicles, if you give the kick to the bike will be a start, maybe a start, maybe a not. So this is also one probability of the start the bike. Example of the probability. See, these all are the examples of the probability. You can take the one more example. See, in the rainy season, by seeing the cloud, all will wear the sweater. Or not sweater, a raincoat. What is that? A raincoat. Because see that by seeing the cloud will wear the raincoat. See, if maybe a rain it not come. So see, one day what will happen that, see, by seeing the cloud we are wearing the daily that raincoat. So we have to go that without wearing the raincoat. So suddenly it will happen. What happened here? Maybe on that day full rains. So here, this is also an example of the probability, maybe or may not be. So see one more example, see that about the tossing the dice. See that if you toss the dice, you know that dice has the 6 faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If you toss the dice, then what are the outcomes of the possibilities here? Maybe 1, 2, maybe 3, maybe 4, 5, 6. See that out of 6, any one possibility are there. So this is also an example of the probability. Now see children, see one more point you have to remember: likely and equally probability and not likely and equally probability. See what is the difference between the likely and equally probability and not equally and likely probability. For example, see that if I throw the dice, if you tossing the coin 1000 times or 100 times, see if the toss the coin, what are the possibilities here? Maybe head or tail here. Only two possibilities, head or tail. It means having the only two quantities, one head and the one tail, only same quantity and same possibilities. So this is called as the likely and equal probability. But you can say that. So if you throw the dice, see what are the possibilities are there? Maybe one face is only one time from the dice. Maybe a two is only one time. Maybe 3, 4, 5 and 6 now. Means possibilities are only one time. See that if die is thrown, once, see that possibilities are maybe 1, 2, 3, 4. See that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe one possibilities are there. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 or 6 here. It means that this is also having here likely and equally probability. If I toss a coin, what are the possibilities? maybe one head or a tail. It means that this is equally and likely probability. Correct. So if you start with a bike, what will happen here? Maybe start, maybe not. So this is also examples of the likely and equal probability. See, what is the examples of the not likely and equally probability? For example, see here, take the one bag and collect the balls. In that bag, you have to put the 10 red ball and 5 white ball. See that in the bag, you have to put the 10 red ball and 5 white balls. And hold the neck of that bag and style the proper or shake into the proper. Then without looking into that bag, you have to remove the one ball. Just you have to remove the one ball. Then what are the more possibilities of the outcomes of the ball here? Can you tell me now? Because here 10 red balls are there, 5 white balls are there. Means what are the more possibilities here? Red. Because the quantity of the red balls are more than the quantity of the white ball. So this example is called as the not likely and equally probability. I hope you understood, children, what is the difference between the likely and equal probability or not likely and the equal probability. Because in this bag, the red balls are more quantity than the white ball. See, both quantities are not the same here. That maximum possibilities comes out is only red ball. But here in the classic coin, only 2 possibilities. One head and one tail is there. Maybe a head or maybe a tail. Same possibilities are there. So these examples are called as the likely and equal probability, and the bag examples is there, that is the not likely and equally probability. I hope you understood, children. Now these all basic points of the you have to remember. See the toss the coin. See 10 times you have to toss the coin here. See for example, the possibility maybe head comes at 4 times and maybe tail comes here at 6 times. See if you toss the coins 10 times, 4 times and 6 times here tail. See how to find the probability in the theoretical method here. See that is PR E. So I will take here P R S. That is the head P R S. Now see that how many times came that head here? 4 times divided by total number. See that 4 times. Then the number of the possibilities. How many times cross the ones here? That is the 10. So is equal to 2 2 and 2 5. This is the probability of the head. And similar P R tail is equal to how many times is that? 6 by 10 is equal to 3 by 5. Now see that? Now these all we learn. Yes, these all those things we learn that in the 9th standard how to find the probability in the theoretical method. Now see that few more very important points you have to see this topic here. See the very important points. See which are those here. See first point, the sum of the probabilities of all the elementary events of an experiment is 1. See that. If you find the probability, so for example here, you toss the coin here 10 times, what are the probability of the head is 2 by 5 and the probability of the tail is 3 by 5. Then if you add these two, here, it gives the sum of these two elementary events 1. See how it is here. An example, see what is that first one is. How much is there here? See here, P of head plus P of tail is equal to how much is there here? 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5 is equal to 5 upon 5 is equal to how much here? 1. If you the sum of all probability of the elements, it gives how much here? That is 1. Remember, children, this point is very important now. Now see the next second point, what it says here. Second point is P of E plus P of not E is equal to 1. See what is mean by P of E here? P of E means the experiment of the outcomes of head. means that is a P of E. Can take that any different variables also. Then plus P of not E means that is P of A. Here P of Z. Then P of A is not P of S. That is called as the not P of S. We can take here P of not E. The sum of these two gives you how much here? 1. In this same bracket, or you can say that P of E plus P of E bar. Now E bar indicates that P of not E. E bar indicates what is that? P of not E. P of not E is equal to 1. Then P of E bar. See that when you are going to solve the examples, in such examples will come that how to change that. P of not E is equal to 1 minus, bring the P of E on the right hand side, the sign will change, that is a minus P of E. Now this second point you have to remember. Now see the next point is, the even E bar represents the not E. So that E bar indicates what is that? Not E. The E bar is represented as the, what is that? Not E is called as the, what you call here? Complement of the even E. What do you call that? Complement of the even E. The next point is, we also say that E and E bar are complementary evens. Remember, see that E and E bar are there. What is that? Complementary evens. E and E bar means probability of E and probability of not E is called as here. Which elements here? Complementary events. You can say that complementary event. Event means situation. Now tossing the coin, throwing the dice, starting the bike, that about the range, then throwing the ball, removing the ball from the bag. These are all called as the events. Correct? Now see the next points here. See the next point, children. The probability of an event which is impossible to occur is 0. See that? The probability of an event which is impossible to occur is, how much? To occur is 0. Such an event is called as an impossible event. What do you call that? Impossible event. See what is the examples of the impossible event here? See for example, throw a dice once. If you are throwing a dice once, find the probability of the outcomes A. Find the probability of the outcomes A. Can you find this one? See, the throwing the dice means what are the possibilities here? 1, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5, maybe 6. Either 8 it comes outside here, not possible here. So see that either they ask the question to find the throw the dice once, find the probability of the outcomes A, which is possible. So such events are called as the impossible event to occur is how much here? The probability of that of such impossible event is called as the 0. For such event, what is called that? Is called as the impossible event. What is called that? Impossible event. Now see the next point is the probability of an event which is sure. Yeah, see that. See how what is the examples of is sure? Confident here now. See the probability of an event which is sure. For example, throwing the dice, find the probability of the outcomes for you. See that? See for throwing the dice, what are the numbers here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 6, any one possibles are there. Either they ask the question to find the probability of the outcomes 5. Means that how many times of 5 is here? 1. So how to find the probability of 5 is equal to, right here, 1, 5, how many 5 are there? 1 divided by 6 here. Correct? So it should not be 5 divided by 6. Now probability of the outcomes 5. It comes at only one time 5 there, not a 5 times. So 1 upon 5. So such events are called as the sure possibility, sure events. So the probability of an event which is sure and event is called as the sure event. Sure event or one more point, what do you call that? Certain event. What do you call that? Certain event. Which are the sure probability for such probability what we call here sure events of the certain event. You have to underline the children. Remember these points are very important in the examination point. See one formula you have to remember. See probability formula. P of E, probability of E is equal to less than or equal to 1. Already I told that the sum of the probability of all events it gives the over here 1. Maximum is 1. Maybe but it gives the approximate less than 1. Correct? But it not gives you more than 1. So what is that formula? P of E is equal to less than or equal to 1. This is a less than or equal to 1, but greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0. Between 1 and 0, it gives the sum of the all probability of the event. I hope you remember, you understood these all points. You have to remember. In the next class, we will discuss about the deck playing cards here. You know that playing cards, we can say that in the common word, that is a spades. Now see that deck playing cards, you know that there are 52 cards will be there. And how they divide into the 52 cards. Now see that in the exam about that playing cards or maybe a die, fix one question will come that in the exam that maybe a 5 marks, maybe a 3 or 2 marks here. So we'll see that about the playing cards in the next class. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.